Folks, yet one more day with just solid cloud cover across the area, and from time to time some light rain and drizzle, but what's left on the radar now that's detectable by the radar, very light, kind of moving out to the northeast. In fact, we're starting to see some breaks in the clouds way west, and those breaks in the clouds should move overhead tonight. The showers will move out, and by tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny skies. It looks like a pretty good day across the region tomorrow, with sunshine, temperatures warming back into the mid to upper 70s. First time we've seen that since last week, Monday. Friday, we see a few more clouds. There could even be a couple of light showers on Friday. One more little upper air disturbance moves across in the flow, and that could trigger another shower or two, but pretty isolated, nothing widespread, nothing very big. And then Saturday, that gets out of here, and then we're dry for the weekend with plenty of sunshine both Saturday and Sunday, and likely into the first of next week as well. Rain chances, we see nothing with the exception of that very slight chance on Friday. The rest of the forecast period is dry all the way into the middle of next week. Temperature-wise, we're in the 60s almost every place. Port Isabel, the exception, at 70 right now, 65 in Weslaco. Low temperatures tonight back down around 60 or so, give or take a couple. Northwesterly winds still continuing at 10 to 16 miles an hour. Tomorrow, once we get that sun out, temperatures warm back up into the upper 70s again. A few places might touch 80 briefly, and if you look ahead, we start at 79. We're a little cooler Friday because of the extra clouds, but then look at the weekend, 82, 86. Another weak front Sunday into Monday cools us off a little bit. That front will come with no fanfare. You won't even notice it, other than the fact that it'll be just a little bit cooler on Monday, but still warmer than it's been the last 10 days. Look at all the moisture coming across Texas. That's the remnants of what was Willa, which is now gone. It's not even on the map anymore. It dissipated very quickly over the mountains after making landfall in Mexico last night. Some of the rain sneaking through the valley, but notice there's not much left. The break in the clouds coming over the mountains off to the west right now. That break should move on into the valley during the nighttime hours and during the daytime tomorrow. Look at Mexico. I mean, that system is gone. This is what's left of it. Just 24 hours ago, we were watching that system make landfall. It is really racing off to the northeast and moving out of here. That moisture moving out of Texas tonight, and it's gone. So tomorrow we're partly sunny. One more little disturbance. Again, moves through the flow on Friday, so you'll notice there's some clouds around. We're kind of going partly to mostly cloudy on Friday with that very slight chance for a shower. But by Saturday, that system's out of here. Sunshine takes over, not just here, but all of Texas. It looks like a good weekend across the state. Sunshine wall to wall with warm temperatures during the day, cool temperatures at night. The weekend just looks terrific. It's taken us, 10 days to get to a weekend like that. If you're headed to the coast, it looks pretty good there as well. Northwest winds about 10 to 15 knots. The moderate chop continues. The UV goes back up to high after being in the low category for most of the last week and a half. Skies mainly sunny with a high risk of rip current still. That should settle down eventually. The low tide's 9:35 in the morning, high tide 5:45 tomorrow evening. The surf temperature at 70 degrees right now. So for tonight across the valley, cloudy skies early, but then later on those clouds will break and move out of here. 60 for your low temperature across most of the valley. Then tomorrow, mainly sunny and warmer, back into the upper 70s again. Northwest winds at about 10 to 16 miles an hour. It looks like a really nice day. I think Friday's still pretty nice. We're at 78, but we can't rule out a stray shower on Friday. Probably some more clouds, but there's your weekend at 82 and 86. Plenty of sunshine both days. Nighttime lows down around 61, 62. A weak front Sunday into Monday cools it off a little, but not dramatically, and it comes in with little or no fanfare, so we still see plenty of sunshine all the way into the early part of next week. That is your updated First One 5 forecast.